No wires, no setup, no app required. The RoboUp Raccoon 2 SE will change how you think about lawn care. Nothing could be easier. Watch. Out of the box, place it on the grass, press a button, and it's off and running. Professional grade charges in just 70 minutes and cuts up to 2.5 hours and can scale slopes up to 36% of an incline with ease. It's mapping, and then it's going to do a great job. And it can edge perfectly. Narrow paths, dead ends, or tricky corners, this mower can handle it all. And it's got dual obstacle detection too. Avoidance of the shoe. AI vision, plus bumper sensors that keeps kids, pets, and garden furniture safe. Excellent avoidance control. You can choose auto mapping, manual mapping, and spot cutting for mowing features. And you can control the mower with the buttons on top of the mower or by the app. You have all your options once you're inside of the app. Spot cutting, schedule mowing, wildlife safe mode, edit your map, remote control mode. So for instance, you can mow and use the cursor to move your mower around. As you can see, the mower is turning. And there it goes. So you can manually cover a section if you'd like. At just 56 decibels, it's quieter than your hairdryer. That means early morning mowing without waking the neighbors up. They'll appreciate it. Plus it mulches clippings into natural fertilizer too, enriching your soil the eco-friendly way. Oh, and if it rains or if the battery runs low, don't worry. It returns to the base automatically, so you never ever have to worry. Enable the rain feature. The Raccoon 2 SE is always getting updates too, with one-touch OTA updates, free for life. You know, the Raccoon can give you your weekends back. All you have to do is press mow. You'll love the zero setup with this mower. Right out of the box, it goes to work. I love the fact that there's no complicated setup or installation. So now you can mow from anywhere remotely if you use the app. You can schedule mowing times or start manually. And it's got lots of safety features too. If the mower is lifted or tilted, there's alarms that will go off and it'll automatically pause for you. And there's also an emergency stop button on top too. Again, there's no boundary wires needed, and you can choose from 1.1 inches to 3.1 inches mowing length. You can change your cutting height. Choose the cutting height that you'd like. We'll set chosen cutting height when mowing starts. Okay. And there's beacons to separate your zones from your front to your side to your backyard. So now you can relax or do other things around the house or anywhere. The Raccoon will work for you, and you'll have great peace of mind with the great dual avoidance detection and bumper. The Raccoon's built for longevity. It's amazing, effective, and safe and cost-effective, and less expensive than a laptop or a TV, with a 3-year warranty and 2-year battery life. So get yours today and take back your weekends.